Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eva and in today's video I will be applying and reviewing the Tropez Self-Tan Classic Lotion. If you guys are into self-tanners, you must have heard or used the Tropez Self-Tanner Classic Mousse. This one was probably the self-tanner that really changed my mind for self-tanners and just like really changed the game of the self-tanner. This was one of my favorite self-tanners for a long time. So when I saw that they have the same one in a lotion form, I really wanted to try it. First of all, this is very underrated. No one really talks about this self-tanner and I can really trust Tropez when it comes to self-tanners because they never disappoint me. When I saw this giant bottle, I felt like having a lotion would give me more for my buck. I can use this many times. Just like the name lotion sounds like way easier to apply, I want to have options. That is why I decided to give this one a try and it did not disappoint me. And like with any other self-tanner, I always start by exfoliating my body, shaving, and then if I have any dry patches or drier skin, I would apply lotion. I apply this. This is the side that I already applied, and this is my bare leg. This one has a nice bronze glow. It is not super dark, but it has it's definitely visible. I'm just putting a little bit and adding more as I go. And I'm going to even put it on my face. But when I have used the classic one in the foam version on my face, it has been like 10 minutes. I feel like my face is super dark compared to my body. It's not as sticky. I'm going to wear dark t-shirt just to be on the safe side. Since it kind of makes me sweat, I saw a girl on YouTube using deodorant, like spray deodorant right after she applied, just so it doesn't sweat off, and I will try it today. Spraying around the elbows, in front of the elbows. It is a very thick lotion. It is almost like makeup. At first I was very nervous to use the mitt with this because I felt like it would be easier to use hands. But the instructions are suggesting to use a mitt, and I felt like a mitt would absorb most of the lotion. But it wasn't a case with this one. It didn't absorb that much. So this is how it looks. It is bronzy gel with a little bit of makeup feel to it. You can still apply it with hands, but it doesn't look really even just because it is a different lotion consistency. When I use the mitt, so much easier when I use a mitt. It blends seamlessly. It gives very nice finish, a very like glowy, sheer and bronzy look. It is not as dark as some other self tanners, like let's say with Tropez bronzing mousse in dark. It is a little bit lighter than this one, and it is very sheer, glowy, bronzy. Fully develops after 7-8 hours, but from the initial color until it develops, the color looks very nice and natural. It is a little bit sticky once you apply it, but it dries in about like 10-15 minutes. I feel like this is because the consistency of it is a lotion, kind of like a gel lotion consistency. I did try a new trick and I sprayed antiperspirant deodorant. Worked okay, didn't make a huge difference. It just like absorbs a little bit of the moisture or the sweat, just like makes this sticky feeling a little bit less noticed. The scent of it is very nice, very lightly scented. Does have a little bit of a self-tanner smell afterwards, but nothing overwhelming. It have a little bit transfer on my pillow, and this is just because I applied it on my face. I would not use this on my face anymore just because of the formulation. It's not the color. Once I washed my face, it was okay. I feel like just the formulation is a little bit too thick to work on the face, but otherwise the color that developed on the face was nice. It's a great product for the price that you pay. I feel like it is a huge bottle, and I'm using like very minimal product on each part of my body. A little bit of this product goes a long way, so I feel like this giant tube will last me a really long time. It is 8 fluid ounces. With the mousse, somehow I feel like I'm using a lot more product, so I feel like with the lotion you get a little bit more for your buck. I don't know, that's how I feel. This retails for around $42. I picked mine up at Ulta. I will make sure to link this down below just so you guys can find it easily. I really like this product and I will be using it a lot. I feel like even people that are not really experienced with self-tanners will be able to use this product. It is very easy to use, easy to blend. You just need a mitt, a good mitt, just like any velvet mitt, and make sure it's lined inside. But this product doesn't really seep through the mitt, and I feel like even people with pale skin tone and fair skin tone will get great results with this product. It doesn't really transfer that much, but just I like to be on the safe side. I do wear something looser and darker just to prevent any staining of the clothes or any transfer of the color. It doesn't really transfer that much, but it does have like a film that it leaves. And during the time that I have the self-tanner on, I'm usually gentle in the shower. I don't use any scrubbing products, any body brushes or exfoliating products. I just use a regular shower gel, and sometimes I even use my hands just so I don't mess up the tan and make everything uneven and patchy. I moisturize my body with body lotion every time I get out of the shower. I want to prolong the wear of the suntan, and I feel like any drier patches or any peeling skin can result in very uneven and peeling tan, so I want to prevent that, and I try to moisturize. I would say that it lasts around 6 days, and during these 6 days I don't reapply on my whole body, but if I feel like certain part is a little bit lighter, especially like my chest area, somehow it feels way lighter, I would reapply on that area. And I haven't experienced anything negative with this tan when I layer over the oat tan. I don't do this with any other self tanner. It layers fine and it builds up the tan without like leaving any streaks or any like unevenness. Around day 6 it's almost faded, and day 7 I would usually scrub my body and just like exfoliate any leftover of the tan. If I want to reapply, I do the same thing once again. If you guys like this video, please give it thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every week and I would love to have you around. Follow me on Instagram, turn the bell on so you know when I post. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!